Hello there, it's Rob at Vast Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2014 Tesla Model S 85P. P stands for the performance package, so it has a air suspension on it. It has about 100,000 kilometers. Here's the car proof, which is absolutely clean. There is no claims, no accidents, no stories, no liens against the vehicle. It's very rare color. It's dark green on a light beige interior. It's a suede or Alcantara and leather Alcantara roof as well, so double sunroof. Of course, huge screen, GPS. Let's check the exact mileage, what it is on it. There we go. It's 100,991 kilometers on it. Lots of toys. It's over 400 kilometers per charge. We gotta put it on charge for now. It's same matching color on the logo here. All dealer serviced. It does have a warranty left on it until 2020. The interior is absolutely perfect. It's super clean. Here is all the options. The air suspension, you can change it. Actually, you can open the sunroof like that. So it has a power lift gate as well. Some of these models, they have just a glass roof and the no sunroof, but this one, as you see here, I close it through the screen. Well, navigation, trips, display, vehicle, you can put a lot of customized options here. Of course, it has a satellite radio, and it does all the updates itself. Power windows, power locks, memory seats, of course, foldable mirrors. When you lock the vehicle or when you walk away from the vehicle, it locks it itself. Double click on the tail of the fob. It does have the trunk cover as well. Press the button, close it. Again, it's one of the cleanest Tesla you can find on the market. One of the rarest colors as well. This is all original paint, and the bumper looks like a brand new. If you have any questions regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.